Hey everyone, what's up? It's Raya and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe down below, give this video a like, and we'll get right on into the video. So today's video, I am kind of inspired by old YouTube, and I want to do like a makeup challenge, and it's the 5-minute makeup challenge. So I'm gonna give myself 5 minutes to do a full face of makeup, and I'm gonna hope that I can get through it. I can confidently say I've never done a full face in 5 minutes, but I'm kind of inspired by Laura Lee. She did this video with a bunch of her friends back in the day. I want to say it was with Manny MUA, but I can't fully remember. It was a few years ago, so I really don't know. I thought it would be fun to do it myself because when you're watching those videos, you're always like, oh, that doesn't seem that hard. 5 minutes, I could do that. But I know once I get started, I'm gonna be like stressing and trying to get it all done. I do have my items already laid out in front of me to kind of help with the process, because I tell you, in my regular makeup videos, I probably spend 5 minutes total just trying to find my products, let alone putting everything on my face within 5 minutes. I would be a disaster if I didn't have it organized. But I'm just gonna have a timer on my phone, and then I'm gonna have 5 minutes, and I'm gonna get it all done in 5 minutes, and we'll see how good or bad it is. So I'm just going to my timer app, and I'm gonna put 5 minutes, and I'll probably put a like countdown clock on the screen too, if I can figure out how to do that in editing. There's our timer for 5 minutes. I need to like mentally prepare myself for this because I know it's gonna be pure chaos once I start. Okay, guys, I'm like kind of nervous to do this. It's gonna have to be quick. If you can see, it says 5 minutes, and I'm gonna hit start. And I'm not gonna show you because I'm gonna bounce right in. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, so I'm gonna start with primer. At the end of the video, I'll tell you all the products that I used, but since I only have 5 minutes, I do not have time to tell you them right now. 10 seconds are already gone. Primer should take like 15 max. Let's go. And this video is not really gonna be edited because it's only 5 minutes of me doing my makeup, so you're gonna see me struggling the whole time. I strategically chose some of these products because I thought they would be faster putting them on my face, like this one. Oh, I just got it all up in my nose ring. That's brand new. That's bad. That is bad. I will have to wash that right after this. And I'm using a brush for my foundation because I know that's faster. Oh my gosh, a minute's already gone. Like, we're 20% of the way there. Okay. I definitely think I'm taking too long. Shoot. Okay, concealer, let's go. I know eyebrows are probably gonna be my longest thing. I think I can get the rest out pretty quickly. Our trusty brush. This is not gonna be my best makeup look, I gotta warn you right now. We're down to like 3 minutes left. Oh my gosh, I'm not moving fast enough. Not even close. Okay. I feel like I'm friggin' beating my face. Okay, powder. Open! That's more powder than I use on a normal day-to-day basis, but it doesn't really matter. Bronzer. Oh my goodness. I'm like stressed. I had a stressful day too, and now I'm stressing myself out by making myself do a makeup challenge where I only have 2.5 minutes left. How did I already use half the time? Oh god. Oh god. That's like half my forehead. Oh no. Okay. I'm fixing this while opening my blush. Oh god. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. How did we? Oh my gosh.
my gosh.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Guys. I have like a minute 58 left. Oh my goodness. I like blush, but dang. Okay, highlight, smack it on. Okay. Eyes. I have a minute and a half left. This is not going well. This is not going well. Gosh, why did I choose that color? Oh no. I should have thought through this decision. I really should have thought this through, but I didn't. I was like, oh, 5 minutes, I got it. I've got it. And now look at me. I'm just gonna put a shimmer on. Okay, a minute. Oh, how? I'm not curling my lashes. No, we are not. I'm just gonna go in. Guys, 5 minutes is a lot faster than you think. Oh. Okay, 40 seconds. I'm gonna not even really do my brows, just gonna run a gel through them because I don't have time. I wanna get the lip on and make any small changes I may have to make. Not my best look. I can confirm that. I can really confirm that. Especially the blush. That's it. That's it. I mean, it's not the worst. It's not the worst. The blush came out so much more pigmented than I thought. I used this Mayel blush kit and I just went in the whole thing and slapped it on, and then I was like, well, we're looking real blushy today. The contour is really not blended out very nicely, but I did it. 5 minutes, we did it. What do you guys think? Like, tell me in the comments below what you think, what you could have done in 5 minutes, anything. That was a lot more stressful and a lot faster than I thought it would be. When I was putting my foundation on, I was like, okay, it's fine. And then I started to realize, no, it's not fine. You're running out of time. It's not fine anymore. But I'll give you guys a close-up. Ignore my mustache. We got a lot of blush going on. My eyes look like I did them when I was in middle school. My eyebrows need plucked and just have gel on them. Highlight looks okay. I feel like I would have really had to mess that up to make it look bad. And the lips are a little overlined and not very clean, but we did it. Oh my gosh. Now I can see why they were screaming the whole time they were doing their makeup in 5 minutes, because a full face takes a while, to be honest, especially if you want to do it well. But I'll quickly go through the products that I used in case you care. This wasn't a tutorial, but. So for primer, I used the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. My foundation, I used the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. For my concealer, I used the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. For bronzer, I used the Park Avenue Princess. For my blush, like I said, I used the Mayel Sunkissed Blush Palette. For my eyes, I used the Wen Wild Rose in the Air like mini palette. For highlighter, I used the K. Voss highlighting palette, and I went with the shade Sugar, which is the lightest one. For mascara, I went with the Tarte Maneater mascara. For eyebrow gel, I went with the e.l.f. Boy Brow. I was gonna use an eyebrow pencil, but obviously ran out of time, and I was gonna use the Morphe eyebrow pencil. And for lips, I used Just a Tint by ColourPop in the shade City of Stars. And then I realized I never set my face, but I was gonna use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose Prime and Setting Water. That's probably a pretty short video, but it was really fun to do, and I'm honestly surprised. Like, I would probably wear this makeup out. I don't think it's my best, that I've ever done. But I think I could wear this out in public and not get a bunch of crazy looks. But when I started contouring my forehead and I start contouring like down here, I had to go back in with my foundation brush and fix it because I was like, I can't just have brown all over my forehead. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you thought of this challenge. If there's any other challenges you'd like to see me do. I think it was fun. I think I did worse than I thought I would, but I think overall it came out okay. I definitely wouldn't feel like super embarrassed to wear this out. Anyways, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a like. Please give it a like because I struggled through this. Like, give me a like. And subscribe down below to keep up with me and see other videos that I create. I do lifestyle, beauty, and vlogging content. This is my first beauty video that I've done in a while and it had a fun twist. Make sure to subscribe down below to join my journey. And I will see you guys in the next one, which will be on Thursday. Okay. Bye, guys.